JD Sandal lang. Eh? Huwag ka malikot na ko. Ay. Ganun mo yung mga anila eh. Walang. Hindi marunong magpakain. Dali lang, anak ko. Mamaya siya pa inumin para makarami siya. Siyempre, bakit nalulunok niya? JD! Sarap? Takaw? JD, JD! May ano niya lahat ng ano. Lang. Kalikot-likot kasi. Sarap. Sarap. Huwag kang malikot.
I thought the happiness will last forever. 2 days after our engagement, he left with his family patungong China for his medication. Nilalaman ko na he was seriously ill. He has blood cancer stage 3. Sobra ako nasaktan. Sa akin na lang sana lahat ng sakit. One day, I received a call from his mom. She told me that he was suffering so much, asking me approval to be euthanasia. I wanted him to fight. I prayed for miracles, so I held on.
Sarap? Sarap, JD. Sarap? Sarap? Uy, sarap. Takaw-takaw na nako.
Naiyak lang ako. It was time to let go. It was time to set him free. Now that he's gone, I know I will never be complete. And my life will never be
complete.
Nagmamahal. Rhea.
Hoy, sarap.
Ate, anong tingayaw mo?
Kaya daw JD.
Tingi.
Mari lang to din.
Ako mo?
Ay, si ate naman. Ay, sarap naman
Know that you're gone, you never had to go. Know that you're gone. Ate, wala just a phone.
Huwag ka kasi malikot last na to, last.
Now that I wish you never had to go.
Selo.
Now that
mamam ka na.
you're gone.
Naubos niya? Takaw-takaw niyan. Oy, mamam ka pa. Ahem. Tama na. Tama na. Inaabot mo pa. Gusto mo pa? Painumin mo pa daw siya. Tama na. Ready? Sarap? Sarap-sarap niya na. Nabusog ka? Nabusog ka? Ha? Ha? Ready? Ready? Nabusog yan? Takaw-takaw niyan eh. Naubos niya na nga yung daddy niya. Laro ka na? Loko ka.